could say I'm finally free. See who I am meant to be.
Very early this morning because it's Thanksgiving and we had a little breakfast in Fremont. We also walked around a little bit and now we are going to leave the hotel to go to the Grand Canyon. It's something like 4 hours driving, so I have a little bit of time to sleep because it was very early. Bye bye, nice view. We just arrived in the old historic Route 66 settlement. This is the oldest town next to the Route 66.
Blue sky and our heartbeats true. Cloud nine, you're mine, and I'm yours, babe.
This is a little town that they took the official cars from the movie Cars, so very nice. And now we're going to the Grand Canyon. We arrived at the Grand Canyon, but it's snowing. It's snowing. What the hell? Grand Canyon! I didn't expect this from a trip to the Grand Canyon. Where we don't see anything. Damn. That's so stupid. 3 days ago in LA, 20 degrees. Right now, -1.
Every highway is closed. There's nothing like, we cannot leave. We're stuck.
Stuck by storm.
Like, I looked it up, like, I called you, everything. There's no highway open until tomorrow.